No way. And there's another one too.
Trouble letting him out, Bubba. Causing you some trouble.
Oh. Got another one. Maybe a half, maybe 0.8. Probably a half. Let's get through this. Right back up in there to feed.